Okay, here's my Eahora X5 Plus, and I got a flat tire, as you can see, riding home from work. First flat tire found a nail in it, so I'm gonna replace it. I got a replacement tire on Amazon, same one. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and replace the tire, and then I got 2 tubes on Amazon. Eahora also has the replacement tube, but it said 7 to 10 days shipping, and I ordered this the night it broke, which was last Tuesday, and it's here on a Saturday. So hopefully it's a good tube, but I'm watching a YouTube about how to remove this, and basically it's first thing it said shift to the low gear and then unhook the power, because this is the rear wheel, so it's got the power drive. So here's the power. Unplug that, and then I got the chain on the smallest as far as I could get it over here. So next, the guy says remove the nut and make note of where the washers are. This is the derailleur side, and then this side, and I found my original wrench from Eahora in the box. Okay, on this side, the washer is on the outside of the derailleur, but before the nut. Oh, good job.
It's right there.
And then here, it's also the washer and then the nut on the outside. Okay, I got the bolts coming off, and just a reminder, this one, washer, then bolt on the outside. Same thing here, except the derailleur is first, then the washer, then the bolt.
Okay. Bam.
Okay, got the bolts off, and you can see the bottom is like a slot. Both sides. I got a helper here. So he just, there we go. You just give it a tap, she drops right out. Okay, so here's the tap, and you can see it just slid out of here to here, and same on this side. So I gotta get this loose and then lift the chain off next.
Yep.
Okay, that worked. Loosen the chain, and here it is off. So now we just gotta replace the tube and tire. Okay, I got my little tire tools from this bike repair kit, and I'm getting the wheel off the edge here, and then there's the new wheel. Okay, there's the hole from that nail or whatever in the tube.
Yeah.
Pretty small, but it sure went out the air. There's the tire off. Here's the rim with this rim tape, and I found mine was kind of scrunched up in here, so I'm gonna stretch it back out. Okay, we have the new tire, and we're putting it on the rim, but you can see there's a little bit here we gotta get back in with our tire tool, so we might have to let out some air. Okay, we backed a little air out and got the edge in, and now we'll put some more air back in. Okay, we're rolling it back into the bike, and then we're gonna hook those hooks back on that back axle and try to reassemble just like it came off. Okay, we got it back on, but it was a little tricky getting this to fall back. You gotta get those flat sides lined up. And then, very good. And then we actually used a rubber mallet at the end here what I ended up hitting was this crossbar. This side was out and I went like that and that dropped it in. So it's like about these angles on getting it back in that flat part there. Okay, I just got the tire back on, and remember to hook your power, and then here it's bolt, washer inside,
Feel the air come out.
and we did use a rubber mallet
Where's
at
the
the
hole?
end. That was the tricky part, and I hit right here. That finally knocked it on. And then on this side, it's derailleur, then washer, then nut. And I tried to tighten them to about the same strength, which is solid but not super tight. So here's the new tire. Got it on. It's the same as the front, and I got it on Amazon. That's CST. So we might have to just add a little more air and hopefully be good to go.